mudah-mudahan ada yang Pekansari jangan versi ikuti selanjutnya.
Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now she's gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking, stop me through, yeah.
Kali ini kita akan Pekansari.
I will try to latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes. It's like it's a new journey. My heart has had enough of pain.
Hai, sekarang kita udah di stadion. Oke, sekarang kita udah sampai di Pekansari, Stadion Pekansari Bogornya, versi Melayu. Hai usaha. Kita lihat ke dalam. Oke, sekarang kita udah di Stadion Pekansari bersama Anjay. Salam lah. Kedatangannya. Bang, say hi dong bang. Say hi. Oke. Oke, sekarang kita sudah di lapangan Pekansari. Bisa dilihat. Dari Priayun. Happy guys.
So you don't break mine. For I love you, I'm gonna leave you, even if I'm not here to stay, I still want your heart.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down. Let me down, let me down, down. Let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an hope you can show me